respected viewers, you are watching a Prism 360 presentation. At Prism 360, we explore the world beyond the obvious, revealing secret, mysterious, and hidden realities. From unexplored places to untold events, our mission is to expand your knowledge and keep you informed. Welcome to Prism 360.
For millions of years they have stood tall, mysterious, powerful, and sacred. But what if I told you the world's highest mountains were once buried beneath an ancient ocean? Welcome to the story of the Himalayas, where science, time, and tectonic force collided to create one of the greatest natural wonders on Earth. Over 50 million years ago, a massive landmass known as the Indian Plate began a relentless journey north, eventually crashing into the Eurasian continent. The result? A slow but unstoppable rise, forming the mighty Himalayan range we see today. These mountains are not just geological marvels. They shape climate, give birth to rivers, and hold deep spiritual meaning across multiple religions. In this documentary, we uncover the real story behind their formation, based on science, evidence, and discovery. No myths, no fiction, just the truth behind the birth of the Himalayas. This is Prism 360, where reality becomes extraordinary.
Around 200 million years ago, Earth looked vastly different, dominated by a supercontinent called Pangaea. Pangaea slowly began to split, driven by powerful tectonic forces beneath Earth's crust. Over 200 million years ago, the supercontinent Pangaea began to fragment, forming the modern continents. The Indian Plate broke away and began a rapid journey north toward Eurasia. Between them lay the ancient Tethys Ocean, filled with marine life and sediments.
India moved unusually fast, about 15 to 20 centimeters per year.
Layers of sediments accumulated on the ocean floor over millions of years. These sediments would later become the rocks forming the Himalayas.
As India moved north, the Tethys Ocean began to shrink.
The stage was set for one of Earth's most dramatic geological events. The slow, unstoppable collision of continents builds mountains like these. This is the power of plate tectonics. A collision that would give birth to the tallest mountains on Earth. Around 50 million years ago, the Indian Plate collided with Eurasia. The immense pressure caused the Earth's crust to crumple and rise. This marked the beginning of the Himalayan mountain range. Rock layers folded and stacked, forming massive geological structures. Unlike oceanic crust, continental plates resist subduction, forcing uplift. The land continued rising, creating towering peaks over millions of years. The land continued rising, creating towering peaks over millions of years. Marine fossils found at high altitudes confirm this ancient ocean origin. Even today, the collision continues, causing earthquakes across the region. The Himalayas are still growing, rising a few millimeters each year. Gradually, these mountains became the highest on Earth. The Himalayas dramatically altered climate patterns across Asia. They block monsoon winds, causing heavy rainfall on southern slopes. Monsoon clouds advance on the mountains. Their collision unleashes skulls in the rhythm of climate and life.
Meanwhile, the northern side remains cold and dry.
Massive glaciers formed, storing vast amounts of fresh water. Glaciers form as layers of snow accumulate and compress into dense ice over centuries. Major rivers like the Ganges and Indus originate here.
Unique ecosystems evolved, supporting rare species.
Animals like the snow leopard adapted to extreme conditions.
Humans settled in valleys, relying on rivers and fertile land.
Human settlements in valleys demonstrate remarkable adaptation. These communities reveal our enduring bond with the natural world.
The Himalayas are sacred in many religions, symbolizing spiritual power.
The majestic Himalayas are a result of one of Earth's most dramatic geological events, the collision of the
In Hinduism, these mountains are believed to be the abode of Lord Shiva.
Buddhism regards them as places of meditation and enlightenment.
Prayer flags flutter across peaks, carrying spiritual messages.
Jains consider certain Himalayan peaks sacred pilgrimage sites.
For millions, these mountains are not just landforms, but divine symbols. Sikhism honors these regions through historical journeys of gurus.
Today, the Himalayas remain one of the most dynamic regions on Earth. Climate change is rapidly affecting glaciers and water systems.
Erosion and landslides continue reshaping the landscape.
Scientists study the Himalayas to understand Earth's evolution.
Millions still depend on these mountains for survival.
They stand as a reminder of Earth's immense geological power. At sunset, Mount Everest stands as a testament to the relentless forces of plate tectonics. Born from collision, shaped by time, and still evolving today. The Himalayas are a living testament to Earth's restless nature. A story written in rock, ice, and time. This is Prism 360, exploring reality beyond imagination.
The Himalayas are still rising, still evolving, and still holding secrets waiting to be discovered. If this journey changed the way you see our planet, don't stop here. Hit that like button, share this video with others who crave real knowledge, and subscribe to Prism 360 for more powerful, reality-based documentaries. Your support helps us bring truth, science, and untold stories to life. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next exploration.
Prism 360 presents Birth of Himalayas, a journey through time, science and nature. From the depths of an ancient ocean to the highest peaks on Earth, the Himalayas stand as a testament to the unstoppable forces of our planet, shaping climates, feeding rivers, inspiring civilizations, sacred across traditions, respected across generations, still rising, still evolving, and still holding secrets waiting to be discovered. Thank you for watching. Like, share. Comment, subscribe to Prism 360, where reality becomes extraordinary.